This house built in the 1940s has a bomb shelter. Pretty normal for back then. People were so afraid of a nuclear bomb happening on the California coast, especially in Central California because it's so exposed. The shelter has beds and ventilation as well.
Where is, I don't see any deal going to the outside. So, right?
Right here.
There's a blue pipe.
There's a steel door right
I
here.
just said there was a door that went to the outside. Oh,
This one.
I see. There's a metal door. Okay, just right
Here's
there.
your posture rest.
Yeah, that's on that big posture rest.
That thing probably you know what it is? It's a wiggler.
I know. Oh, is that what it is?
Charlie?
Hmm?
Are you videoing?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
I'll take.
Yeah, that's the way it goes outside. You mean you stand on that thing? And... No, you sit on
Bunk beds.
it. You sit on it. And it's just
Cabinet.
massages you, huh? Yeah. Oh. I'm surprised they didn't sell better.
This is a
Whoa, look at the
legit,
size of this dude.
legit bomb shelter for
Giant spot.
post World War II.
It's funny, I told you my kids love to catch snakes.